Welcome to my first tutorial on how we developed our first e-store or electronic commerce websites. Electronic commerce websites are websites for doing business operations, such like Amazon, the ones like eBay, OLX. We have so many of them whereby users have to make sales online, purchase their orders, then they check out, then they go to the cart and they proceed to make the payments. It is when you make the selection of the products that you want. Let's say now this is my website here for testing the sample. Let's start calling it like from my own computer. I have to give you the sample that I have made here. You have to call the website itself. So the moment you'll just contact me and you'll be asking for your website, for me it's just to help you just pay for the domain after you've agreed with me and the terms and conditions. Then from here, this is the home page of your e-store website, where users will be finding it after they have searched from the website. This is a sample. You can see we have the calendar today. You have the featured products, whereby you can even make selections from here. By April, you yourself now as the admin, you can check even the buyers wherever they are. They can just check from here. Categories of the products, if you have categories like accessories, let's say trousers, t-shirts, cufflinks, and all other categories of clothes, maybe let's say that is the business that you are having. Then when we talk about accessories, we have maybe cameras, we have maybe CCTVs, we have maybe radios, TV, televisions, and so on and so forth. So there are so many categories that you can have. So here, like here, I've made just accessories as one of the categories, so you can search by them. So when users just come to the website, then he wants, I want to purchase maybe a certain accessory, maybe a mobile phone, or maybe a cloth, maybe like a trouser. He has just to search, just to check from here, then he selects the category. Or if he doesn't know, we have here the searching section. So in case you search camera, let's say camera from my website, from this website, here we have cameras, here we have cameras, and we have CCTVs. So in case you search cameras, you see 2 results for cameras have been found. Then he can just come here and he checks these are the cameras we have. We have CCTVs and whatever. So he can read more if he wants more information about now the cameras. So from here he can get, this is now the CCTV. He has the CCTV camera. Then we have other neon and any other types of cameras. So from here, after the customer has logged in, that was the home page that he will find. Here, right now, our cart is 0, Kenya shillings 00, isn't it? Which means the customer has not made any order. So after the customer has come here and he has made an order, let's say maybe there are only 2 in stock. Here you can see this green button here tells us that there are only 2 in stock. So this website can help you even monitor how many commodities have remained in stock, so that to make it so simple for your buyers online. Sometimes when they come here and start searching, if there is no any product within the stock, it will just show them here 0 stock in the stock. But like right now, it has shown them that there are 2 in stock. So here you have just to add. So how many does he want to buy? If it is 1 and it is camera, then he can just add to cart. After he clicks add to cart, our cart here is going to change. You can see it has changed from 0 to 1. Then from here it says that CCTVs has been added to your cart, and this is for the buyer. So here he has to see what? View the cart. You have to see what is there in the cart. You can either use view the cart or click here, this button. It has 2 options here, and it has told him that it is 1. He has selected 1 and it's of Kenya shillings 4,700. So from here he proceeds to cart. Here we have the section of coupons. Like maybe in cases where maybe buyers come from far, like maybe in the United States of America, and they want to purchase your products online. You see, if you apply here coupons, which means the coupons or the shipping codes shall help in purchasing. Like maybe if you charge them maybe the shipping for transport, for doing what, for using maybe the embassy to transport for them maybe the products that they need, that one will come in the shipping side. That one also I'll show you in the next. Now, like in your complete website, I'll add that, all that, in case you want to offer the shipping, because sometimes people say, for me I don't want to offer people shipping, it might be costly to them. You see, it's just the way of business. So from here you can say proceed to checkout. So here it has told him that the product that you have purchased is this one. Featured image is here. The price is 4,700 from 4,700. Quantity he has purchased 1, and the total of Kenya shillings is 4,700. In cases whereby maybe the customer maybe did not maybe select, maybe there are maybe 2, and here maybe in the checkout he wants maybe to add, he can just select from here and add. After adding, he can update the cart. When you update the cart, check this amount. It's going to double based on the product that you have purchased. So you can see here, 1 is this, 2 he has purchased 2. So it is 2 times 4,700. So you get 9,400. So when you go to proceed to checkout, which means you are proceeding to make the payment. You're proceeding to make now the payments, the final payment as you go. So from here, it tells you we have 2 options. Click here to log in, or click here to enter your code. Like maybe if we have the coupons code, and maybe you made maybe an order and you go to the generated coupon code. So from here you can either click here to log in if you are just a customer, a usual customer who has already created the account, and if not, then you will have to do what? To enter here your details. So we start with billing details. Say maybe the name is Joel. The second one is Barasa. The company, if you have maybe the company like maybe cement, maybe let's say Bamburi cement, that way. So from here you have your email. Type your email, give us your contact here. This is the contact that shall be used to call you. Like maybe if in case maybe you want maybe to call maybe your customers, maybe to show them that maybe they have made an order and they have maybe to make payments, because we have different modes of payments. We have maybe we have direct bank transactions, whereby maybe the user will be directed to his Visa account, then he makes some orders, then he purchases. Secondly, we have cash on delivery. So in case maybe they have made maybe cash on delivery, they have made an order and they have to contact the company. You have maybe to call them to remind them that they made an order and they have to come back and pick their products. So this is the contact that you'll be using. or you use the email for you to get them. The country here you have to say, it will just be general. You have to select, like if you are in Kenya, they will have just to search from here, just Kenya or Ivory Coast. You can see here so many countries up to US. There are so many, so which means your e-store can be accessed from any other country. So from here you add the address. All these are shipping or billing details that you have to get from your customer. Town, you can enter here, maybe Busia town, or maybe any other town that you are in. Country or county, you have here Busia County, let's say so, just for example, or Nairobi County. Postal code, you can even just get maybe 5400 private bag. I think that is the code for Busia. Private bag, I think it is maybe the private bag. So it is that way. So here you say create account password. You have to put the password there. Let's say the password was maybe, let's say maybe root, or just put just any. It is very weak. You can enter now your password that is good for you. From here you can see your order. The customer can see his own order here. He has purchased 2 CCTVs. Subtotal is this, total that he has to pay is this. Cash on delivery, that's the method of payment he has. And if we have added maybe M-Pesa by pay bill number, it will just be shown here. Pay with cash upon delivery, that is maybe the comment that we have added for him. So you place order. When you place the order, so from here we cannot place order before you log in. So from here, that additional information, an account already registered with your email, please log in. So you log in from here. So this is the password. Put here the password. In cases of users who have not created, for me I have the account already. So from here you just say remember me or login. Our website can even store your passwords. Yeah. So here, click here to login. Username is incorrect. Just your password. No. In cases where maybe you lost maybe your password, you can retrieve it from there, or if not, just come back to email. So I can go back and create a new account. I'll just come back here to the cart. Yeah, the card. I think I forgot my password there. Then from here you say proceed to checkout. From here, since I have to go to login, so I can use Barasa as well. The password root. So just wait, me to login. Click here to enter your code. So here right now I'm logged in, and therefore I'm logged in to my account. So where you place the order, so you place the order. Use here, click here to enter your code. Just say just apply coupon. enter your coupons. Let's register as a new member. Barasa, email, postal code. That's good. Everything. Let's proceed to checkout. Wait. We are logged in right now as Barasa. We are now in the dashboard. You can check from here now. You are logged in as the user. This is now your dashboard as a customer for our customers. Let's click dashboard. Logged in as the administrator. Others. You are now the administrator here. The administrator, which means it is you who has maybe the company. So from here you can see that you have received an order. There is an order made, one order from Barasa Joel. He has made an order and these are his shipping areas. So use this one to identify him. He has made an order of 9,400. View the cash delivery. So in case you want to view the cash delivery, just click here. Process complete on hold. So from here you can process. You have to process his, then apply. So he has made that order. You are now the one who is now approving for him. For Barasa Joel, who is our customer, who has made an order. So from here you can go to reports. From reports here you can also see the reports on the sales made, like which day was the payments made higher. You can see last 7 days, these are the payments that have been made. If you want for the last 1 month, you can check for the year. If you want for a day, you can see here. You can even export now the whole information to a CSV. Okay, this is now you now as the administrator, checking all those sales and products, sales by date. Can check all these. Yes, you can check all these customers. Can come here. You see, you can see everything. Forbes, top earners, you can see them all. Customers, you can see them. Customer sales, guest sales, which one is me, 9 men. So you can check your analysis and everything. You can come here and check the stock. If you want the customer list, you can also check here. When you come to customer, you can check if the nini is low, the stock status. Here you can check the customer list. Can check the customer list. One is Barasa Joel, who has purchased the need today. So you can see all of the information as the administrator, and you can approve payments made. So like here now, or when you check now the orders, so many things you can check here. Let's say process. Let's say on hold. If you want to mark down maybe that he has not maybe made the complete purchase because it is cash on delivery, so after he has come now and made the purchase, that's when now you will allow him. Now mark complete. If it is complete, you can mark complete here, then you apply, then say that way. So when you say complete, which means he has made payment, complete payments now via cash. So you see, you can see so many things purchased. So from here, if you want to check that, you can view. View what? The cash on delivery details. When you click view, it will take you back to show you the billing of your customer. So you can see here, it is Barasa Joel. This is his address, shipping, billing address, shipping addresses. So this is where you will use these details for you now to get him, like now sending him what? The order on purchase. View the other orders. You can view from here. You can see he has purchased CCTV amounting to refunded 0. So he has made an order of 4,500. You can see from there. You can manage so many things there as the administrator now. You can even send him, reply him by sending him maybe even a message. Yes, we log in. You have logged in back as the administrator. So you can come here to comments. You can add your comments. You can see the comments made by people from all over. If they are commenting about your business, you can see from here. You can add your posts from here. You can create your pages. Pages like now here when we visit our page, home page here, you can see this is page. These are pages, so you can create more as you want. Home page, you can add what? You can add blog, so you can even make your chatting areas here. You allow people to chat when they are not making purchases, just to keep your so busy, your business busy. So for me, I'll show you now, after we've discussed better, we'll show you how now to create all this. You see the prices have changed from 5,700 to 4,700. So you have given them maybe an allowance. If they want to read more, they can click here. Then they can read more about your you see, you can see here, this is our best selling cameras. Now you put here your comments. I'll show you in the next videos on how to do that. Out of stock. So right now we've completed the whole stock. In case of adding, I'll show you even how to add the stock later, but this is just a preview, just to show you about how our systems work. So right now you can log out. Now you can log out, then log in again. Want to get the users. So in cases, you can come here, then you find all users, your users. When users create accounts there, then they make purchases. you see. And even if these are the users, so you see we have Barasa, who is now the customer, the administrator. Barasa created here. I created the account, so you can click here, then you go and check him and you find his details in cases where they have created the account, and in case you want to delete them, you can delete them. The role you can see here, the roles we have: customers, shopping managers, subscribers, contributors, authors, administrators. So for him, he is maybe the customer only, so you can see all his details here. These are the customers details. Even without the billing side, you can see all his details, the shipping addresses. So the shipping addresses have been omitted from here, and in case maybe the customer wants maybe to add all that, you'll just have to update his accounts from here. Then you update his account, even by yourself, by checking from their own details there. When they make a purchase, you can get their details about them, then you can just update yourself for them. That's your role now as the manager. You know, you are now the own boss, and nothing is a problem now. So from there we can log in as Barasa 6. We can check from here. We call it root Anderson. Maybe username, that one. Yeah, root. With now the customer logging in. So this is now the customer who has logged in. You can see when the customers log in, these are their dashboards. You can just access orders, downloads, addresses. Downloads include products like books, ebooks that can be downloaded, music that can be downloaded. They will get them from the download section. Addresses, you can check the addresses. Account details, you can check his own account details. Notes Joel sign out, but he is now the customer who has signed in, so he can check even the shipping and billing addresses and edit your password and accounts. This is now for the customer. When he is now logged in, he can see all that. So his privileges are low. You can see he can check that he purchased, he completed the purchase and it is complete. He made this for 3 items, so he can view from here if he wants maybe to view now a complete record of what he did. So you can see order details. So he purchased CCTVs, 3 CCTVs at Kenya shilling 14,100. So he can check. This is now the user, your customer, when he is now in his own desk and he is logged in. He can now just check all his details. If he wants maybe to update them, he can. If he wants to order again, he can order again. When you click here, order again, you go back to making a purchase. From here, in cases of downloads, you can come and check downloads. In cases of any downloads, he can check from here, and if he doesn't have any downloads, he can go to Go Shop. So when he goes to the shopping, he goes direct and start making shopping. So if you have download material, you see like this ones now here you will check, you will see, he will get maybe books, ebooks and whatever else which can be downloaded online. Then he makes a purchase. So that's all. You have understood how the system operates. So right now we can log him out. So you can log out from here. See, developed by me, and this is now the login page. So thank you. I think from there you have understood how a complete